Square prism of base side 40 mm and height 50 mm is placed centrally on a cylindrical slab of diameter 100 mm and thickness 30 mm. So here first we should construct a cylindrical slab. That's why given number 1, cylindrical slab. First we have to construct. Okay. Second thing, we should construct above of it, that is a square prism. So that dimensions we can write down. So 100 into 30, this is 40 into 50. Okay. Okay, in the isometric sheet you take the reference line. Okay. Okay, from this reference we should mark 110 boxes, that is 100 mm, right? We should mark 10 boxes on either side. Okay, so construct the square box here. Square box for 10 by 10. So we should draw here thin line for the square box because it is a cylinder. Okay, that's why we should construct this 110 by 10 box, that is 100 mm, with a thin line. Okay. Okay, now we should consider a height of 30 mm. Okay, thickness given 30 means 3 boxes we should consider, and we mark a reference point 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Now here we should construct another box of 100 by 100, that is 10 by 10 box. Okay, 100 mm box you have to construct. Okay. Okay, after constructing this box of 10 by 10, we should construct the ellipse here. Okay, 2 ellipse we have to construct, and then we have to join to construct the cylinder here, cylindrical slab. Okay, so use the compass. So first we should mark the middle point of all these boxes. So mark the middle points for the both the top box and the you should mark exactly at the 5. Okay, midpoint we should mark. Okay, so after that we should draw a lines here from the corner point. Okay, either you can draw first, you can draw for the bottom face, say from the corner point, so to the middle point what we have marked, we draw a line here. We know how to construct the ellipse, so we are following the same concept. From that middle point we are joining with the corner point here with the line. The same thing we do it for all the middle points. With the corner points we are trying to join here. Okay, and the same thing we will be doing on the top box also. So here I can use this length to construct the ellipse here. Okay, Okay, then take this as the reference point. So measure this length carefully. You can cut the arc. Okay, so that is also having the same length, so you can cut here also by considering that as the reference point. Okay, now the same way we do it for the top box also. So we try to connect with this corner point with the middle point of the box with a straight line. Okay, okay, now we construct the ellipse here by measuring the lengths here. So measuring these lengths, you can construct the arc here. So measure it properly and construct it. Same way we should do it for the other side also. Measuring this straight lines length using compass, and we construct the arcs here. Okay, the same way do it here also. Okay, so now we got two ellipses here using these two boxes. Now I'll be drawing a straight line connecting these opposite corners. Okay, now we are going to join these points, okay, vertically with the straight line. Okay, that completes the cylindrical slab. Now above it we have to place the square prism, which is having dimension of base side 40 and axis length 50. So we have to go for the subtraction of box method here. So we have the box of 100. 100 minus 40 means it is 60. So we have to divide on two side means it is 30. That is 3 box dimension we should mark on the top box here. On the top box we should consider 3 box. On all either sides we should mark 3 box here to go for the subtraction of box method. It's because we should get a box of 40, right? Because square prism having a dimension of 40. So we can subtract by 30 mm on all the either sides. We can subtract it easily. Okay, now we get a square here of dimension 40. Okay, so for this square we should consider a height of 5 boxes, that is 50 mm from all these corner points. Consider a 5 box height from all those corner points. Okay, now draw the top face dimension 40 by considering a height of 5 boxes here. Okay, just draw connecting these two square faces by the vertical edges. Connect these corners with the vertical line here. Okay, so I can mention the angle 30 degree for the base where we have taken a reference. Okay, you can see this is our, so I can write cylindrical slab, dimension 100 into 100 and height 30. This is a square prism, dimension base side 40, height 50 mm. So that completes the problem.